Best deals.
1. Spice Rack. The beautifully designed revolving rack makes it easier for you to access your spices, herbs, powdered sugar and sprinkles. This spice rack set is a handy addition to your kitchen cabinet, drawer and pantry. Product link is given in the first link. 2. Coconut Breaker. Designed to break the coconut into two halves without spilling the coconut water on the floor. Coconut can be easily broken on this and water collects in the tray. It's sturdy and long-lasting product. Product link is given in the second link. 3. Burger Maker. Shape perfect, uniform patties every time for burgers and sandwiches, ensuring consistent size and cooking. The premium non-stick coating prevents sticking and burning, allowing low oil, easy to clean cooking. Cook burgers, sandwiches, and waffles all in one compact, versatile appliance. Product link is given in the third link. 4. Puttu Maker. Is specially crafted in the traditional coconut shell shape for making authentic round puttu. Perfect for South Indian breakfast lovers. High quality steel build made from premium grade stainless steel, this Chiritta maker is rust resistant, durable, and hygienic. Designed for long-term use in Indian kitchens. Simply attach, fill with flour and coconut, and steam soft puttu in minutes. Product link is given in the fourth link. 5. Oil Strainer. Constructed with high-quality stainless steel for durability and long-lasting performance in the kitchen. Product link is given in the fifth link. 6. Fry Pan. Is perfect to cook or serve omelette, egg fry, fish fry. The fry pan is made from cast aluminium body with a non-stick coated granite finish inner layer. The fry pan is made with a flat bottom which allows it to be placed evenly over heat source. Suitable for use on induction and gas cookers. To be used in low flame. Enjoy a low oil lifestyle with a PFOA-free pan, delivering healthier meals without sacrificing flavor, heats quickly, evenly and retains heat longer. Adds a strong authentic Indian flavor to your preparations. Product link is given in the sixth link. 7. Roti Box. Crafted from high-quality stainless steel, the Didki Roti Box container is built to last. Product link is given in the seventh link. 8. Appam Pan. Made from high-quality materials to ensure durability and longevity, capable of withstanding the demands of everyday cooking. Designed with precision and quality in mind to elevate your cooking experience. Ergonomically designed for a comfortable grip and precise control, allowing you to cook with confidence. Product link is given in the 8th link. 9. Hanger. Comes with 5 durable hooks for hanging towels, kitchen utensils, keys, loofahs, sponges, bags and other accessories. Crystal clear transparent design. Elegant transparent crystal design blends perfectly with modern bathroom and kitchen decor. No drill, easy installation, simple tool-free installation. Just press the suction cups on a smooth surface. Perfect for bathroom, kitchen, office, bedroom, or wardrobe to keep daily items organized and easily accessible. Product link is given in the 9th link. 10. Curd Strainer. Foldable stand collapses to just 3 cm flat. Adjustable feet hooks grip securely on bowls, pots, and burnies of all sizes. Ideal for health-conscious families, gym enthusiasts making protein-rich foods, and homemade dairy lovers. Product link is given in the 10th link. 11. Mat. Features powerful suction cups to firmly grip smooth surfaces, reducing the risk of slips and falls in the shower or bathtub. Strategically placed drainage holes prevent water pooling and ensure faster drying, keeping your mat clean and hygienic. Product link is given in the 11th link. 12. Oil Separator Ladle. Features a long handle, allowing you to easily skim fat from hot pots and pans without getting too close to the heat, is designed to separate oil and grease from soups. Product link is given in the 12th link. 13. Cookware. Is a blend of smart design and lasting performance. Made with extra thick tri-ply stainless steel, it delivers even heat and resists burning. The green ceramic coated exterior is easy to clean and stays new for years. Built to withstand high heat and safe for metal spatulas, it's perfect for everyday cooking. with sleek stainless steel handles and a toughened glass lid. Product link is given in the 13th link. 14. Jar. Crafted from premium quality stainless steel for durability and longevity. Polished exterior adds sophistication to your kitchen decor. Perfect for storing a variety of dry goods such as flour, sugar, rice, pasta, coffee beans, tea leaves, spices, and more. Stackable and nestable design maximizes storage space in your kitchen cabinets or pantry shelves. Easy to clean, simply place in the dishwasher for hassle-free maintenance. Product link is given in the 14th link. 15. Soap dispenser. Upgrade your daily cleaning with this cleaning brush with soap dispenser that delivers the right amount of liquid soap for faster and cleaner washing. A practical dishwashing brush and dish brush for every kitchen. Designed as a powerful kitchen cleaning brush and dish scrubber, it removes oil, food stains, and dirt from utensils, plates, pans, kitchen sinks, and tiles without extra effort. Product link is given in the 15th link. 16. Square tawa. Is crafted without any coating, offering a natural non-stick surface, ensuring delicious and healthier meals. The square shape provides a larger cooking surface area compared to round tawas, allowing to cook larger ingredients like fillets of fish or long vegetables. Square shapes fit better on stovetops, ideal for those with limited kitchen space. The square shape with its corners allows for easier access when flipping or stirring food. Product link is given in the 16th link. 17. Cabinet organizer. This pull-out cabinet organizer requires minimal drilling for a secure and lasting fit. Simply follow the included instructions for a quick and sturdy setup in your cabinet. Built with a durable damping guide rail, this pull-out cabinet organizer glides smoothly and quietly, withstanding up to 40,000 cycles for dependable performance. Perfect for organizing kitchen, pantry, or bathroom items, designed for convenient storage in any cabinet. Product link is given in the 17th link. 18. Tadka pan. Is made of natural material, releases iron content in the food that is essential for one's body, to maintain the hemoglobin level. Adds iron content to your meals that helps fight iron deficiency. Truly healthy cookware. Makes your dishes more delicious with a distinct flavor. Product link is given in the 18th link. 19. Cooker. The cooker body is given the right curvature, which has 3 benefits. Food is easy to stir during the cooking that is done prior to pressure cooking. This helps prevent the food from sticking or burning, and cleanup is so easy. For difficult dishes which require a lot of stirring, the Conchura with its rounded sides is an ideal pressure cooker. It makes the pressure cooker absorb heat faster, making it more energy efficient. Product link is given in the 19th link. 20. Vacuum cleaner. Designed to enhance cleaning efficiency, the Turbo Sweep feature ensures deep and fast cleaning, making this vacuum cleaner for home a perfect choice for busy households. This vacuum cleaner is equipped with a robust and energy-efficient 600W motor, paired with advanced Turbo Sweep technology for exceptional power in a compact design. It supports continuous usage of up to 15 minutes, with recommended 7 to 8 minute cooling breaks for optimal performance and longevity. With a strong suction capacity of over 20 kPa, this handheld vacuum cleaner for house captures dust and debris with ease. The large 600 ml dust cup allows for extended cleaning sessions without interruption. Effortlessly clean hardwood floors, tile floors, carpets, sofa and window grills. Product link is given in the 20th link. 21. Egg separator. Crafted from high-quality, food-grade plastic, this egg separator ensures safety and reliability in your kitchen. The material is durable, easy to clean, and free from harmful substances. Product link is given in the 21st link. 22. Masher. Features a sturdy stainless steel head and a soft, non-slip handle that absorbs pressure while you work. The masher is great for potatoes, yams, carrots and other root vegetables. It's also ideal for mashing apples and bananas for homemade baby food. It includes a large in-handle hole for hanging storage. Dishwasher safe. Product link is given in the 22nd link. 23. Glass casserole. is crafted from high-quality, lead-free tempered glass, ensuring even heat distribution and preventing harmful chemicals from leaching into your food. Enjoy healthier, more flavorful meals every time. This versatile casserole is perfect for preparing, cooking, baking, serving, mixing and storing a wide range of dishes, from hearty casseroles and soups to elegant desserts. Product link is given in the 23rd link. 24. Cutter. Comes with unique 45 mm radius round blades for better performance. Very handy and comfortable to use and maintain. Sleek and compact design allows easy storage, occupying very small space. Very quick to cut accurate pieces of vegetable and some fruits, easy manual wash and dry after wash, slices and peels vegetables and fruits, promoting healthy eating with its stainless steel blade and ergonomic design. Made with high-quality stainless steel blades, the slicer-cum-peeler ensures long-lasting performance, reducing the need for electric gadgets. Product link is given in the 24th link. 25. Food dehydrator. A multi-tier electric food dehydrator that can preserve varieties of food. Produces nutritious food with very simple preparation. No food will spoil and go to waste with this food preserver. Built with easy-to-use one operational button. Choose to dehydrate with just a click. Scientifically tested to increase food shelf life with high heat circulation that travels through each tray. Effectively dries food by removing moisture content, shrinking the food but still retain 97% of vitamins and minerals. Comes with 5 removable stackable food trays or dryer trays. Since the trays are removable, they are very easy to clean, including the dehydrating machine. This dehydrator uses temperature control for food preservation. Product link is given in the 25th link. 26. Organizer. This adjustable multifunctional storage rack are manufactured in India, using only the premium grade materials that are designed to last a lifetime. Extendable rack for kitchen with stainless steel rods, making it a better choice than shelves for kitchen made with white or black iron rods. You can trust our shelf rack as it can effortlessly hold weight of over 7 kilograms of lightweight items when evenly distributed. Putting together this kitchen cabinet rack is super easy. The package includes a manual with detailed assembly instructions, and it's easy to install and can be set up in minutes, with no tools required. This microwave stand has a stylish design that adds a contemporary and appealing look to your home. Additionally, the rods of adjustable rack come with caps to ensure your safety during installation. This versatile expandable multipurpose rack, the perfect solution to your storage needs. With this extendable rack for storage, you can maximize your space and organize any area of your home with ease. It can also be used as a bedroom side table, bathroom storage shelf, living room storage unit, makeup rack, desktop rack, or even a clothes rack. Product link is given in the 26th link. 27. Food processor. Use it as a blender, juicer, atta kneader, vegetable slicer, chopper, and dry grinder. Whether you are preparing smoothies, kneading dough, chopping veggies, or grinding spices, this all-in-one appliance does it all with professional precision, making it the ultimate companion for every home chef. With its robust 800-watt copper motor, the Easy Prep tackles everything from soft fruits to tough dough effortlessly. Designed for long-lasting durability, the motor ensures high-speed processing and consistent output. Whether you're whisking, slicing, or grinding, this processor delivers powerful and efficient performance every time. Built-in overheat safety protection ensures the device automatically shuts off if it gets too hot, adding an extra layer of safety. 7 specialized attachments for precision cooking. Get perfect results with a wide range of interchangeable blades and tools, including slicing disc, French fries blade, shredding, chopping blade, atta kneading, whisking and 1.4L processing bowl. Every attachment is engineered for accuracy and convenience, making meal prep faster and more enjoyable. 2 Speed control with pulse function for total flexibility. Take full control of your recipes with 2 speed settings and a pulse mode. Use low speed for soft ingredients like dough or creams, high speed for tougher items like nuts or carrots, and pulse mode for quick bursts of power, perfect for tasks like precision chopping or mixing. Stylish, durable and compact design with premium build, crafted by INALSA and designed in collaboration with Taurus Group Spain, this food processor combines performance with aesthetics. The sleek black housing, ergonomic control knob, and sturdy construction reflect modern style and reliable build quality. Its compact size ensures it fits easily in most kitchens, while still offering high capacity and power. Enhanced user safety, anti-slip base and safety lock mechanism. Your safety is a top priority. The processor includes an anti-slip base to prevent movement during use and a safety interlock system that ensures the motor only runs when all components are securely locked into place. This ensures accident-free, stable operation, especially during high-speed processing. Easy to clean, dishwasher-safe parts for hassle-free maintenance. All removable accessories are dishwasher safe, saving your time and effort after cooking. The processor's smooth body is easy to wipe clean, and the detachable parts can be rinsed or loaded into your dishwasher for effortless maintenance. Product link is given in the 27th link.